Hey everyone, welcome back to Alibaba.com Buyer Guide, the series where we help you, the small business owners and online sellers, navigate the world of B2B sourcing like a pro. I'm Carlos Alvarez, and today I've got something that's going to change the way that you discover products online. Whether you're an experienced buyer or just getting started, this tool will make your sourcing faster, smarter, and way more efficient. It's absolutely incredible to see the strides Alibaba.com is making with AI this year, and all these new features and tools exist to make sourcing more accessible. I'm really excited to talk to you about the latest drop, Alibaba Lens, a brand new browser extension that lets you screenshot any image or video on a web page and instantly find similar products on Alibaba.com. Think of it as your shortcut to better prices, more options, and a seamless sourcing experience, all without ever leaving your browser tab. Instead of manually searching for a product on Alibaba.com, you can now just click on any image you find online, and Alibaba Lens will pull up capable suppliers, customization options, and bulk pricing all in one place. So let's try it out. First things first, let's download the plugin. You just need to be using a desktop computer and make sure you have the Chrome browser up. To download the extension, you can simply click the link in this video description and it will direct you to Alibaba Lens intro page, or you can open up Chrome Web Store homepage and search Alibaba Lens there. Open the intro page and then click Add to Chrome, and the plugin will be installed in your browser for your easy access later. All right. So now we have the Alibaba Lens plugin installed. Let's try this thing out. Once installed, pin the extension to your toolbar so you can access it anytime while browsing. You should be able to see the little lens icon pop up on the lower right of your browser. Now, let's head over to Google Images and type in coffee mugs. Once you find something you're interested in, click the lens icon to activate the feature. And then you could just hover over any image. Now, all these results are wholesale prices. If it's a verified supplier, we can see that right here. We can see the MOQ as well. One of the best parts of Alibaba Lens that makes it unique from other image search tools is you can easily filter the results with customization service options. This can be really important for e-commerce sellers these days who want their brand to stand out, those wanting their logo on products. Just check this box here, and all the products are now customizable by logo, color, and more. Another amazing feature is when the screenshot you select contains a price. Alibaba Lens will automatically recognize the price and show you in the results how many options are below that price. By checking this box, you can only view the options that are below that price. If you're still not seeing what you're looking for, you can add to your search with text. Let's try adding coffee cups with insulation for camping, and voila, there we go. Another thing, Alibaba Lens makes it easier for you to explore business opportunities even when you're watching dynamic visuals. Think videos. If you see a product that interests you in a video, you can also use Alibaba Lens to quickly take a screenshot and find similar products on Alibaba.com. As you can see, this tool can be used for research even if you're just looking to see what's out there. But it can also help you jumpstart your business by making sourcing super specific and simplified. If you click on one of these products, it will take you right to the product page on Alibaba.com. All right. Let's talk about why Alibaba Lens isn't just cool, it's an absolute game changer for anyone who buys or sells products online. Here's what makes it a must-have. First off, this tool offers one-click product matching. No more switching tabs, copying links, or typing out search descriptions like blue squishy thing with handles. Just click on any image and Alibaba Lens will scan a network of over 200 million verified wholesale products and match you with the best one. Secondly, price transparency. We all love a good deal, but what if you could see the price breakdown before making a decision? With Alibaba Lens, you're not just getting a list of suppliers, you're getting a real transparent pricing that lets you compare costs, minimum order quantity, and customization options up front. No more guessing, no more surprises. And thirdly, this isn't just a simple image search. Alibaba Lens uses AI-powered multimodal search, which means you can combine images plus text prompts to get ultra-specific results. If you need the same product but in eco-friendly materials or a matte black finish, just type it in and the AI will refine the results for you. All right, that's a wrap for today's buyer guide. If you want to start sourcing faster, cheaper, and smarter, go ahead and install Alibaba Lens today. Your wallet will absolutely thank you. And don't forget, you can get the Chrome extension. The link is in the description below. And finally, don't forget to like and subscribe for more sourcing hacks. I'll see you in the next one. Happy sourcing.